Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hans. You're watching Eurodreams, and today I thought of taking you guys on a home tour of a student in Italy. I wanted to give you guys basically an idea of what kind of houses you will get in Italy if you are staying in a PG accommodation. It may differ depending upon which city you are in, but mostly it will be like this. So let's go and have a look. So that's the place, guys. That's my friend's home. This is the kitchen. There is also an entrance over here, but I will take you from the main entrance.
Hello.
Hey bro, how are you?
Welcome to our apartment.
Thank you for inviting me, bro.
Yes, you're always welcome.
So guys, this is the apartment. This is the kitchen. This is the place from where I was coming. So what you saw was this part. Quite spacious. So when you get an apartment in Italy, it's usually fully furnished. You get all the utensils, as you can see over here. You get all the amenities. You get a stove for cooking. You also have a microwave, fridge, all kinds of stuff. Pretty good, right?
So it's been great living here. It's kind of cozy, quiet. You don't have any, outside noises here. It's outside the city.
Yeah, it's very calm. It's good for
It's
studying.
very calm. So it's peaceful here, and
Yeah.
it's a main requirement if you are very determined towards your studies. You need a calm and quiet place. Then
Yeah.
this place is it totally. So you have heaters in all your
Yeah.
rooms, including your bathrooms. You
Mhm.
have a heater.
Yeah.
So you won't feel much cold here.
Mhm.
So it's better for
Mhm.
you. So overall, I would rate a solid 8 out of 10 to this place. Yeah, so it's excellent.
Next room. What say, bro? Bedroom?
Yes, it's our bedroom.
Hmm.
It's quite a little bit messy, actually.
Yeah. It's okay, bro. We are all students over here.
Yeah, so this is our study area.
Mhm. So guys, this place is for two people. This apartment is for two people, but you can get an apartment for more people depending upon which city you are or how many friends you have with you. We are 6 people in a room where I am living. So yeah, you can. There are different apartments with different people. But yeah, it is quite good. As you can see, there are all the amenities present over here. You have a study table, you have beds. Sometimes you get blankets, but it is recommended that you get your own blankets from your own country. So yeah, this is it. You have a heater in every room, even in the lobbies. So the houses are centrally heated, so that's a good thing. Moving on to the final place. The toilet. The washroom. That's it, guys. For two people, I guess this house is good. This house is enough. It's a small and cute place. So guys, this place also has an air conditioner. Some houses do not have an air conditioner, but this one does. So yeah, look for a place where you have an air conditioner, because in summers you will require it. So guys, the rent for a typical apartment in Italy could be from 150 to 250 euros plus bills, depending upon where you go. Obviously, the rent for this particular apartment is 200 euros, which is quite high if you ask me. But yeah, if you don't have an apartment, if you need a place, then definitely you have to take a place, right? So it's okay. So guys, when you come to Italy, when you get an apartment, you basically get a contract. You get a contract for 6 months or 12 months, again depending upon where you go. So you get a contract. In the beginning, you have to pay first month's rent plus 2 months deposit, and then that's it. You get a contract. Contract is important for your permesso di soggiorno, which you might have seen in some other videos what permesso di soggiorno is. So yeah, you need a contract for that. It's important. So make sure you look for an apartment before you come to Italy. It will be very difficult to find an apartment after coming to Italy. So yeah, keep that in mind. So that's it, guys. This was an apartment tour. It was a small, nice apartment, a peaceful place. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do share it with everybody you know. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.